you guys don't know, football fan rin ako, kaya hinata ko sila Adrian kumuha ng isang football jersey dito sa Circuit Makati stall ng Downfield. Tara rate natin kung ano pinili nila. For here, Adrian got a Man U jersey. Then Bonda ng Argentina. Uy, si Messi din. And last but not the least, syempre yung pinaka-pogi ng this dude.
Look at this dude. Huh? Bruh.
Balik celebration.